Okay, so don't mind my nails. My daughter painted them for me. But we are now going to form the pumpkin. We just fastened off and weaved in all of our, weaved it in, so everything is good to go. And now what we are going to do is we are just going to make sure that it is as close as we possibly can to get it into the middle of the circle. And now we are going to take our string and we are going to go to the top where we first started the magic circle. And you're going to go through just some random stitch and pull through. And then I like to pull it tight already a little bit. If you have to squish him, like squish him, whatever it is, just don't pull too tight to where he's going to break. And then you're going to hold this one in place. And then you're going to turn it and then again just go through a random stitch in the bottom circle that we just formed. And it should be a straight line that you're making. Doesn't have to be, but that's just how I do it. And then again, pull a little tight. You don't want to break it, but pull tight enough to where it is forming. If you feel like it's not forming enough on like one side compared to the other side, take that one string and loosen it again and then tighten it, and then hold it down and then tighten your string again. Okay. And now we're going to then turn, and I grab my little needle, and then again you're going to go into the top where the magic circle is, go through some random stitch, and we're going next to the one we just formed. Then we are going to pull it tight, hold it down, and then turn it again, and you want to go underneath into just some random stitch or two. Make sure it's a straight line. And then I like to make sure that everything is as tight as it can be without ripping it. And now we're gonna do that one more time. So as you can see, like this is little compared to these. We're just gonna split this one now in half. And then again, we're going to go through just some random stitch in the magic circle. And then pull it tight. I don't like how it's not even, I'm so sorry. There we go. Okay, and then pull it tight. And then you want to go down now straight. And then just through some random stitch. And then now that you did your last one, you can make more little bumps if you'd like. I just prefer to have 6. Anywhere between 6 and 8 is my preference, but it's up to you. If you want more or less than that, go for it, but that's just what I do. And then you're just going to weave this in like you did to close the pumpkin or any of your other plushies like normal. Then we are just going to sew all of the pieces together. I like to sew the stem on top of the magic circle, but you can sew that wherever you'd like. I just think it hides this better, but that's our pumpkin.